Kaya Nyan Zac. Hello, my name is Zac. I'm a Warrandi man of the southwest of Western Australia. Here we're at Undalup, along the Bilia, the river. The rivers are important to our people and are significant as they are the pathways of Waterways, the hairy-faced serpent, the rainbow serpent that created all water and life as we see it today. It is each of our responsibilities to make sure we look after the Bilia, the rivers, and protect all of the things around it, including the creatures of everything that is animate and inanimate. Our people believe that the Juncus pallidus species are the reeds that grow along the banks. These represent the guardian, or the beard, of the Waterways, which is the rainbow serpent. When holding water up to the light, we begin to see the spectrum of light, as in a rainbow. This reminds us that water is life and water is precious, and we must care for country, and in turn, country will look after us. Some of the practices that we can do when working on country is reintroducing some of these species, such as the Juncus pallidus and reed species, but also some of the podocarpus, such as the emu plum bush, and a variety of many plants across Warrandi Budja. These plants have sustained cattle and agricultural practices since settlement. So during settlement, there was a limited amount of grazing pastures. In turn, the local settling families would graze upon the coastal heath, using some of the native plants as a substitute of when times got drier. These are some of the things that you can replicate within your property by fencing off the waterways. By reintroducing native plants, they don't require fertilisers and large amounts of water. Budja or Budjara country is something that we cannot own, but something that will own us. It's a responsibility to make sure we care for country together. When we see restoration happening on country, it gives our family hope and encouragement that there are many hands, or bulamara, to make sure we protect country together. On behalf of a Warrandi Mort, our saltwater family, we want to say Yanka, thank you, and we hope that you can take this into the future, teaching the next generations to care for country together. We don't say goodbye in language, we say Bordawan. Bordawan means see you next time on country.